Have you ever bought something, then later thought, why did I even buy that? Not because you couldn't afford it, but because it didn't really make your life better. You're not bad with money. You're just deciding too fast. Today, I'll show you one tiny pause you can use before you spend, so your money starts helping your life instead of disappearing. No guilt, no strict rules, just one small habit that makes everything calmer. You see, most money mistakes don't happen because we are careless. They happen because we are tired, hungry, stressed, or scrolling. And when we feel like that, we rush. We click buy now, we swipe the card, we don't think. So instead of trying to be stronger and be more disciplined, you just need something easier. We need a pause, one breath, and that tiny pause is the difference between feeling tight every month or feeling calm and in control. It's not willpower, it's one small moment to think. And that moment can change everything. Here's what I want you to try. Before you buy anything that isn't planned, stop. Take a breath. Then ask, if I keep this money, what will it help me build? That's it. You're not saying no forever. You're not judging yourself. You're just giving your future a vote. For example, this could grow my emergency fund. Or this moves me closer to owning my own home. Maybe this will help me sleep better next month. When your money has a job, keeping it starts to feel good. You're not missing out. You're moving forward. Most days, you'll keep the money, and that's the win. So, try this for 7 days. Before you buy anything you didn't plan to buy, stop and ask this question. If I keep this money, what would it help me build? Just pause, just think. That's it. You don't have to be perfect. Even stopping once or twice a day helps because small wins stack up fast. And those small wins, they turn into big progress. And let's make this real. You're about to spend $200 on something you didn't plan for. Before you click buy, you stop. You ask yourself, if I keep this $200, what does it help me with? Maybe it means paying off a bill or adding it to your saving. Maybe less stress at the end of the month. Suddenly, the item doesn't feel so exciting anymore. Not because it's bad, but because your future feels better. That's how change really happens. Quiet, simple, one choice at a time. Now, why keeping money feels so powerful? We've been taught that spending is the reward. New clothes, new gadgets, new stuff. But here's what changed my life. The real reward isn't what you buy, it's what you get to keep. Every dollar you keep gives you more safety, more options, more peace, more time. I went from having $47 to being a multimillionaire when I stopped seeing money I didn't spend as missing out and start seeing it as protecting my future. Keeping money isn't boring. It's safety. It's breathing room. It's owning more of your time. Now, let's put a smile on your face. Why did the wallet take a nap? Because it was spent, and here's what I want you to hear. You don't need extreme rules. You don't need to overhaul your life. You just need a small pause that reminds you what matters. Those small moments builds trust with yourself. And trust is what leads to peace with money. You don't need big changes. You don't need strict budget. You just need small, steady choices. One pause, one breath, one better decision. And that's how peace grows. And here's what will help your mindset and make it work. Download my Broke No More cheat sheet. it's a simple reminder you can stick on your mirror or phone, so when temptation hits, you feel calm instead of stress. And if you want more peace, more clarity, and smarter money habit, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss the next step in this journey. Now, if you're saving a little but still feel like progress is slow, you just need a way to see your wins. Click the next video right here, the Future Millionaire Tracker. I'll show you how small daily choices turn into real progress you can actually see and feel. So go watch that now, and I'll see you over there.